it's really fun for me to make workout videos to inspire whoever's watching this right now, especially the skinny guys that feel like they're not good enough to work their body out. Or welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you what a body weight workout looks like, just using with whatever you have around the house. I'm gonna use whatever I have around the house to make my body look good. Here we go. All right, here we got this cement. I'm gonna use this cement. I'm gonna use it to work my chest out. Today I'm gonna be doing chest and legs. Chest, legs, and some back. Chest, legs, and some biceps. That's what I'm gonna do. Chest, legs, and some biceps. All right, here we go. Let's see how I use this as a tool to help my body grow. All right, set it up right here. So what I'm gonna be doing is gonna get up here, put my feet back, and do inclined push-ups for the chest. Here we go. All right, I did that workout. I think it was more for my triceps. All right, now I'm gonna be working my legs using this cement. Look at that. Look at that. Here we go. Let's get it up. Let's pick it up. Let's bring it right over here. This is my squat station. All right, set you up on the nice lawnmower. Set you up on the lawnmower. Right here, boom. Now to work out the legs. That was good right there, man. I worked out my legs and I worked out my upper body while I was doing that workout, holding the cement, man. All right, now to work out the biceps. Let's go. Pick this one up again. Just walk on over. Just walk on over, come on. Set it down right here. Gonna do some pull-ups on the pull-up bar. All right, man. I'm gonna do some chin-ups on the bar. Let's do it. Put it on my feet. And let's do some. There we go. As you can see, I put this right here. I put it under my feet and I picked it up using my arms. All right. So that's the video for today. I showed you how to work your body out just using with whatever you have around the house. I hope that you enjoyed the video. It's really fun for me to make workout videos to inspire whoever's watching this right now, especially the skinny guys that feel like they're not good enough to work their body out, or they're intimidated on where to start. Just start, man, because that week is gonna turn into a month. That month is gonna turn into 5 months, and then a year, and then 2 years, and then 10 years, and you're a whole nother person just because you started and accepted that you're not a pro. Thanks for watching the video. See you later.